Have you ever been in this situation? This morning I was talking to a 30-something-year-old. Let's call her Anna for the sake of this video. She is stressed, she's broke again, and she feels disgusted with herself. If you have ever felt the same way, stop scrolling because this video is going to change the way that you see money forever. This is going to be the difference between staying stuck and getting rich. Before we get into it, I need you to do 3 things, okay? Go and comment at least 5 words for the algorithm. Like the video and save the video. Why? Because when you start engaging with content like this, the algorithm literally rewires what you see when you come onto this app. That means instead of being fed content that makes you spend and puts you in this position, you'll start seeing more content that helps you build wealth. And with that, you're training your brain and your feed to think rich. Now back to Anna. She told me that she had savings but spent all of it on a vacation and furnishing her apartment, and she's so mad at herself now. She said it was so ignorant. But here's what's really going on. This isn't ignorance. It's a deprivation backlash. When you have lived your whole life feeling like you can't have things, your brain sees money as temporary safety. The second you get ahead, your nervous system panics, and you spend to feel normal again. This is Behavioral Finance 101. Your financial decisions are often based on emotion, not logic. This is why it's so important to rewire your brain. And yes, here we teach you how to invest, and we share the best tools and opportunities to generate passive income, build a better financial future, or even create wealth. But we also share simple ways to change your money mindset, so all of that stuff becomes effortless. Anna is not failing at money. She's actually just trying to feel safe. And I get it, I've been there myself. But I educated myself financially. I found mentors and a community of like-minded people, and I rewired my brain, changed my situation. And so can Anna, so can you. Step 1. Understand your spending triggers. Go through your last month of transactions. But instead of focusing on what you bought, write down how you felt when you bought it. Were you bored, stressed, rewarding yourself? We're not doing this to judge. We're doing it to find patterns. Because once you start recognizing the emotions behind your spending, you can finally start controlling them. Step 2. Create a cash flow system that matches your values. Forget traditional budgets. They're like crash diets. You can't stick to them forever. Instead, automate where your money goes the moment it comes in. That means paying yourself first, sending money to savings and investments automatically, and setting boundaries that run in the background, even when you're not thinking about it. That's how you stop self-sabotaging and start rewiring your money habits for good. Step 3. Rebuild trust with yourself. You don't fix your finances by beating yourself up. Every time you say, "I'll never do this again," you're reinforcing guilt instead of growth. Instead, start saying, "I'm learning how to manage money differently." Because the goal isn't perfection, it's progress and consistency. That's how you break the cycle. Anna isn't ignorant, she's human. Now, if you'd like some help discovering where to best put your money, how to build a system that automatically grows your savings and pays you weekly passive returns, then don't miss Kryptonomy's upcoming webinar. The link is in the caption.